Hi everybody. So today I want to show you, this must be the week of things that are brand new because I just did my colander pour, something I've never done before, and recorded it and then did that collab with Molly's Artistry, which was totally awesome, by the way. If you haven't seen that video, it was a fun one for me because it was capturing something brand new on film that I've never done before. And then I just turned around and did it again with this technique, so it was pretty exciting. I was getting ready to paint and I just saw all these beautiful blue and green all over my board. So I thought, I'm going to try to dip something in there. So I just added the brown. It's like a chocolate brown house paint. And then the plain white, and I think it's just Artist Loft white mixed with Floetrol. And then I just found a canvas kind of that size, and I decided to dip. I've been watching Fiona's Arts, and I will include her link in the description box if you haven't seen her. She's so sweet, and I love her flower dips. So I thought, I've never done anything like this before. I've done the flower dip where you put the plastic on top and kind of peel it off, and I've never got it to work out. But so here I'm dipping canvas number 1, and I just followed, some of her tips of making sure that all of the canvas is touching paint, and, got pretty good results, and then I turned around and tried again. So I wanted to just sit back and let you guys see both of these canvases and how they both turned out, and then also how I embellished them. I decided to see if that high flow pearl on the actual board would transfer to the canvas, but it actually doesn't. You can see the paint just sort of swallows it up, so that didn't work out. But it's good to try things and experiment, and that's what I'm about, so I like to do that and see what happens. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my channel, liking, commenting, subscribing, and if you want to continue to see more of these art videos, please support my channel either by buying art, watching, or there is a donation link to my PayPal account if you'd like to help that way, or even sharing my videos with friends or family or on Facebook is a good way to support the arts. So please sit back and enjoy, and I can't wait to make more art videos for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can make more art videos for you.